GrokBot launched only 48 hours ago, and every AI YouTuber is calling it insane. Simply put, GrokBot provides AI employees with their own computers working while you sleep, and it costs $200 per month. So I decided to do something nobody did. I read the documentation, and the docs say the opposite of the ads, which is kind of a red flag. The website says every bot gets its own computer. The documents say the opposite, they all are sharing one. And then XAI writes this, word for word: do not use separate bots as a security boundary. So in this video, I'll show you how it works and how to do everything way cheaper and I would say way more convenient. So first up, Grok Bot is XAI's agent team product. It launched August 11 in beta stage. You create bots, give each one a role, and message them like employees. They run on Cloud computer, they sign into your apps, and they have skills and routines. They can sign into your apps, they have skills and routines, they can talk with each other in a group chat, and there's a slick iOS app. That's basically the big pitch. And here's the actual app. To create an agent, you hit New on the sidebar and choose Create New Agent. Really self-explanatory. It will ask three things: a name, a primary job, and also a description. So for this example, you can do content bot, job YouTube content research, and description research topics, pull competitor videos, and summarize what's working. You can see you can click done. That's simply the whole flow, how you create each of these employees and agents for yourself. Now notice one thing. A name, a role, and instructions. This is exactly what Claude projects and also custom GPTs have. Same free fields you can use on Claude or ChatGPT for only $20. Next up, under Edit Profile, you can give each one an avatar. If of course you want to make it more personal, more personalized, or for example, you can color code, for example, marketing team, I don't know, like administrators and I don't know, accounting with different colors to make it easier to see what's happening on your sidebar. And now let's talk about the main selling point. It's connectors, because if you click settings, then plugins, you can find all the different connectors, for example, Google Workspace, Slack, GitHub, Vercel, and with one click, you can authenticate into the browser and just connect all these apps to different employees that they can actually work in these environments. Because any work without any of these connections, and the bot will just open the browser on its own and try to use it like a human. And for example, for passwords and two-factor notifications, it will hand control back to you, the user. But now let's talk about the reality. We also have same connectors with Claude. So we have Gmail, we have Slack, and it's under NCPs or under connectors. So basically the same features, again, cheaper, all built in the tools you already have. Basically same standard, same apps, wrapped in the friendlier setting page. And remember the docs, these sessions are shared across all your bots. And deleting a bot does not remove its logins from the machine. Now, next big selling point is the team. So you can spin up a second bot and bots to a group chat. And these employees, these agents, these bots can talk with each other and try to solve your tasks and your jobs. So for the demo, it looks really incredible, really useful. In practice, how often do your agents need to talk with each other versus just running few of these tasks with ChatGPT or Claude Code? Because you can check the work after each of these tasks. For example, if you have these bots working together and one of these bots make a mistake, your whole process and the whole time spent working could be, of course, worthless because you made a small mistake in the beginning. That's why I always check what your bots are doing, what your agents are doing. And that's why I recommend doing each task on its own with different agent, checking the work, and only then combining these works into one simple process or automation. And now let's talk about the pricing, which is, I would say, awful. So first of all, you cannot buy Grok Bot on its own, which is not great. It's bundled with, for example, Cursor Ultra, which is $200 a month, or Cursor Team Premium, which is $120 a seat, which is way more expensive than Claude or ChatGPT, and also you're getting way less for the same price. Also, they have this special plan with a Super Grok Heavy, so if you're using that, you can also use this bot. I'm not using it, so I don't even know if it's worth it. So again, as I mentioned, this is not for everyone. If you're already paying for Cursor, yeah, you're getting some extra features. You want to get this clean UI, and if you like this process, and also if you like Grok, yeah, good for you. But if you have Claude, if you're using Claude, if you're using ChatGPT, you can do all the same things cheaper. And also, if you learn using Claude, you can do way more things and make it more personalized, create more automations. And again, this is way better than just using these clean UIs for more money to get, I would say, worse results.